We've got a bunch of king crab from Publix. We've got shrimp. We've got crawfish. So let's do it. Butter's turning out real good.
I need some more Old Bay though.
More Old Bay.
Yeah. Take a little. It's good.
Oh my gosh, that's good! Woo! Yeah, no, her butter sauce is awesome. The crawfish out. Okay. Yeah, don't say it like that.
Don't say it like that. This is all?
Yeah,
Are you kidding me?
that's a lot, Jamie. I don't think you understand like how much meat is in there, girl.
I don't understand.
She's Tyler, she's trying to cut it short right now.
This goes in this one, right?
Yeah. Alright, you want to have the shrimp?
Yep. Shrimp.
Shrimp?
You want to get that crawfish out of there too?
Yep. We get the crawfish ready. Pretty excited. Crawfish.
Yeah, we'll do more trades.
Crawfish were pre-seasoned?
Yeah, girl.
Oh,
That
whole
is
season
shit.
ready to eat.
Same with any time you order from Publix. Look at this guy. He lost his little arm, but he's so cute.
You need it now, just put it in the oven.
Yep, but I'm gonna season it.
We're gonna season it first. And then put it in the oven. Dude, these are some nice big crawfish.
Yeah. I know. You gotta get your table ready too.
I know. Really? Really?
Surprisingly, Steph, I did this last time. Oh, slide predicament. It doesn't fit. Doesn't fit sideways, doesn't fit long ways. No!
What do we do?
Oh shit, it's like all the way in the back. And it doesn't fit long ways. We tried. We take it out and put it in a stew.
This bitch is gonna cook.
Yep, here we go. We're gonna make it
Let it
happen.
run. Hi.
The whole oven is on.
Dude.
The stove is.
Here,
Okay, so it didn't fit in the oven.
So we're
look at this. Look at this steam.
Yeah.
This is wonderful, and it smells like a boil. This is working. This is like working really well.
Yeah. You want me to bring it out? Here.
No, let's do it together.
careful of the liquid in the
Let's
back.
do it together.
Oh yeah, be careful with liquid.
Are you okay to walk backwards?
I guess so.
You want me to walk backwards?
We're good. We're doing it.
All right. Why is this so hilarious?
Whoa.
I am holding on. Should we just set it on the mat?
Yeah.
Okay. I was hoping you would say that.
Okay. Hold on. Oh.
Thank you guys so much for watching our crab boil. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't yet, click that subscription button and tap that notification bell so you can stay notified when we post a new vlog. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.